It is possible to import live action videos into ToonSquid and animate on top of it. In this video I'll show you how to do it. First, make a new project in ToonSquid. Press on the plus in the upper right corner. In the pop-up window you can choose the width and height and the frames per second. First I fill in the name of the project, Live Action. For this project I select the preset 1920 by 1080 at 24 frames per second. When you tap on the preset, it is automatically filled in. Tap on the Create button. You're now in the workspace of ToonSquid. You can import video in ToonSquid. Don't import large videos in ToonSquid. Especially on older iPads, videos use a lot of RAM storage. If the video is too large, ToonSquid might crash, or the video starts lagging in the timeline. I have found the video I want, but it's a bit too long. Therefore I will crop it in the Photos app. In ToonSquid you cannot edit videos. Open the video on the Photos app and press on the three little dots. I'm first going to crop it and save it as a new video. Then I'm going to shorten the video by using the sliders. Then choose Save Videos as a new clip. I open ToonSquid again and import the edited video into the library by pressing on the plus. Everything you want to import into ToonSquid you first import into the library. Tap on Library. A new window pops up. Tap on the plus in the upper right corner. You can choose between import from photos or import from files. I have my video in photos, so I select import from photos. If you have a lot of files in your Photos app, scroll down and select under media type videos. In ToonSquid you can import videos with the extensions MP4, M4V and MOV. With the codecs H.264 and H.265 with transparency and an alpha channel. I select the video I just edited and tap on Add in the upper right corner. The video is imported into the library and placed onto the timeline. You can also use Transform to make your video bigger or smaller. In the Properties panel you can change the opacity, blend mode, the frame rate and also mute the audio. For this video I'm going to mute the audio by turning on the toggle. Now you can animate on top of the live action video. There's an extra layer in the timeline. Just drag it on top of the video layer and you can start your animation. You can also import an animation you've already made. I already made a running cycle of Cane Crook. It's one of my characters. It's a MOV file and I exported it with H.265 and a transparent background. MOV files with a transparent background and the H.265 codec can only be exported into the Files app. I've stored it in my ToonSquid folder. I select it and then press on Open in the upper right corner. The MOV is imported into the library and onto the timeline. Then I expand the run cycle on the timeline. I drag the animation to the left of the screen. On the timeline I tap on the keyframe editor. Now I can position the animation. In the timeline you see a keyframe in position. Now I go to the end of the timeline and drag the animation to the right of the screen. ToonSquid will make the in-betweens. You can also import an animation clip from another ToonSquid project. I've saved it in the Files app. It's a run cycle of my character Horace Hippo. Go to the library, tap on the plus, and then on Import Files. I've saved the animation clip with the name Horace Run Mummy. It's saved with the extension .ts project. This is the file extension of ToonSquid. You can export images, image sequences, animation clips, and audio. Select the extension and then tap on Open. The animation clip is now imported into the library. Tap on it to import it onto the timeline. That creates a new layer. With the transform tool, I scale the animation on frame 1. On the timeline, I tap on the keyframe editor. Now I position the animation. Now I go to the end of the timeline and drag the animation to the right of the screen. Then ToonSquid will make the in-betweens. This is how you can animate on top of a live action video in ToonSquid. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to make more videos about ToonSquid, please let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Drawing is fun and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!